Maya Angelou said, "If you are going to live, leave a legacy. Make a mark on this world that cannot be erased." There is perhaps no greater impact that a leader can have on an organization's future than installing and supporting a talent management process that ensures a continuous flow of talent well into the future, well past the time that you are present inside the organization. Talent management is complex. Learning, supporting, and deploying each individual element builds a strong foundation and a legacy of leadership that stands the test of time. Starting with a selection process that includes an assessment of long-term employee potential, coupled with regular monitoring of growth over time, is a great place to start. Ultimately, as a leader, you are responsible for acquiring, nurturing, monitoring, mentoring, and deploying talent to both use their skills and expand their capabilities. You must have a long-term view as you approach this topic, which can be a challenge given the instant distractions and immediate gratification of short-term decisions that you face each day. Can you say that you keep your finger on the pulse of talent management processes to ensure strong selection and development are occurring? Do you actively demonstrate a personal commitment to talent acquisition, development, and deployment? If so, you are aligning to multiple studies that show financial returns on investing in talent management processes have documented savings from retention, returns from discretionary effort due to employee engagement, enhanced efficiency, and long-term stability. Make a mark on your work world that cannot be erased.